In this episode, we will learn how to convert our portfolio website with no SEO at all to this, a website with the right SEO tags and structure. For example, primary SEO tags, open graph tags, Twitter tags, theme icons, and structured data that tells search engines what this website is about and what services we offer, all via AI. Let's get started. SEO is the practice of optimizing individual web pages to improve their visibility in search engines and provide a better user experience. It involves optimizing page titles, headings, content, keywords, images, internal links, and meta descriptions so search engines can better understand your page and rank it for relevant searches. Let's get started with SEO. First, let's check whether our page already has any on-page SEO or meta tags. Meta tags are located inside the head section of an HTML document. Right now, we only have the viewport meta tag, which is used to make the page responsive on mobile devices. There are no SEO-related meta tags yet. Now, let's use AI to generate the SEO for our portfolio website. Let's go to the Claude chat and write our prompt. Add SEO meta tags to this portfolio for Jensen F., a freelance web developer. Follow current SEO best practices, write compelling content for each tag, and optimize the page for people searching for a freelance web developer. Here, we ask the AI to follow SEO best practices and optimize the page for a web developer website, instead of telling it exactly which tags to add. This is important because we may not know how many tags or which elements are needed for SEO, so we want the AI to identify and add everything necessary. Send it, and wait for the results. Let's check the results. It generated the complete on-page SEO for the website. The title tag looks good. This looks good too. We didn't ask, but it also added open graph tags, which are used by social media platforms to display rich previews when your page is shared. Take a look at this. It also added person-structured data, which tells Google that this page represents a person offering professional services. This helps search engines better understand your website and can improve how it appears in search results. Both the open graph tags and the JSON LD data are a result of letting the AI decide what should be added based on the website's needs. We might not have known to add these ourselves unless we had advanced SEO knowledge. This applies to all similar cases where we're unsure about what needs to be done or don't have enough knowledge about the topic. Here, the AI mentions that a few manual changes are still needed. For example, the domain name is just a placeholder, so we'll need to replace it with our actual domain. We'll make all these manual changes in the next episode when we deploy the website to a real domain. Let's download it now. Here it is. Let's remove the unnecessary files and folders to keep the downloads folder clean and organized. These might be needed, so leave them. Now, extract the downloaded archive. We need to copy these files into our project folder, but first, let's create a backup. This time, we'll create a new version. We're naming it Backup Responsive so it's easy to identify that this backup was created after completing the responsive stage. Or you can create a Backup version 2 folder and place a text file inside it containing details about the backup stage. But for now, we're just using the folder name to identify the backup version. Let's go back to the project files. We don't need this archive anymore. Let's delete it. Now, let's add these files to the backup. Backup complete. Now, Let's replace the existing files. Let's open the folder we downloaded from Claude. First, let's open the index file to view the changes Claude did for SEO. Even though I don't know much about SEO, I'm very curious to see what the AI has done. Here we go. Here are the primary or basic SEO tags. This domain needs to be updated, which we will do in the next episode. These are the Open Graph tags. They control how our website appears when someone shares it on social media platforms. We'll also need to update these images, but we'll do that in the next episode. These are the Twitter card tags, which are used to control how your website appears when it's shared on X, formerly Twitter. We also need to update these favicons. A favicon is a small image displayed in the browser tab or address bar. The AI added multiple favicon formats to ensure proper display across different browsers and devices. Here is the structured JSON LD data that was added for search engines. It looks great. We just need to update the links. Overall, the AI did a very good job with the SEO. Now, let's copy and replace the files. Now, let's check the live preview using the Go Live button, and verify that the meta tags and other SEO elements are present on our website. Open the head section. Yep, they are. Everything looks good. That's everything for making our website mobile responsive and SEO optimized. In the next episode, we'll learn how to deploy our website to a real domain and hosting. We'll also update the website links, images, and other settings to match the live website. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.